guys, what's up? It's me Selvakumar from SK Enterprises. So guys, today we are doing bird cage stand. So let's have a look on this. The size of this framework is 19 square and 1 mm thickness. Heavy duty framework. Here we have 2.5 feet framework. Here we have 2 feet framework. And here we have some pieces which are clean and ready for the powder coating. These are the legs for the stand. Guys, this is Selvakumar. You guys know him very well. He was sick for the past 3 months. He have ulcer issue. Currently he's taking antibiotics, but even though he's so passionate in his work, he just always thinks about his work and not taking care of himself. He literally needs your support, guys. Kindly support him. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.